गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास। पिछली जो क्लास हुई थी उसमें हमने पता किया कि बोर्ड प्लॉट में बेसिक बात क्या है जिनके थ्रू हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं गेन मार्जिन और फेज मार्जिन। ठीक है, तो इसमें आज हम ये देख रहे हैं कि मैथमेटिकली हम गेन मार्जिन और फेज मार्जिन किस तरह से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। तो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द गेन मार्जिन मैथमेटिकली 1/mod of g omega h j omega at omega is equal to omega c2 where omega c2 is our phase crossover frequency। ठीक है, और जो पिछली क्लास में हमने बताया था जो ग्राफ कट करता है जहाँ पे वो फेज क्रॉसओवर आएगा फ्रीक्वेंसी आएगी उससे हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। और दूसरा हम मैथमेटिकली भी इस चीज़ को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, वो हम इसके बाद पढ़ेंगे कि कैसे हम मैथमेटिकली फेज क्रॉसओवर फ्रीक्वेंसी और गेन क्रॉसओवर फ्रीक्वेंसी फाइंड आउट करते हैं। ठीक है, और देन वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ फेज क्रॉसओवर फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड गेन क्रॉसओवर फ्रीक्वेंसी इन दिस एंड फाइंड आउट द गेन मार्जिन एंड फेज मार्जिन। तो बेसिकली गेन मार्जिन इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन डेसिबल्स and gain margin is equal to -20 log 10 g j omega h j omega omega is equal to c2 omega c2 and the phase margin is equal to angle of g j omega h j omega at omega is equal to omega c1 minus 180 degree means phase margin is equal to 180 degree plus angle g j omega h j omega at omega is equal to omega c1. So this is where omega c1 is our gain crossover frequency. So by this method we find out the phase margin and gain margin mathematically. Now we take this example. This is 2 upon s into 1 plus 0.5 s 1 plus 0.05 s. Now we determine phase crossover frequency, phase margin, gain crossover frequency and gain margin for this statement. ठीक है, now according to definition the first step is the phase crossover frequency is the frequency at which phase angle of g j omega h j omega is minus 180 degree. For given transfer function angle g j omega h j omega is equal to minus 90 degree minus tan inverse of 0.5 and minus tan inverse of 0.05 omega omega. ठीक है, next according to definition this is equal to 180 degree and this is equal to minus 90 degree minus tan inverse 0.5 omega minus tan inverse 0.05 omega. Now we calculate the omega value of omega. And how we calculate 90 डिग्री के एंगल को हम इस तरफ लेके आएंगे, ठीक है, या फिर 180 को इधर और इस टर्म को इधर, तो ये बन जाएगी हमारे पास tan inverse 0.5 omega plus tan inverse 0.05 omega is equal to 90 degree. ठीक है, now we taking tangent on both side and this is tan of tan inverse 0.5 omega plus tan inverse 0.05 omega is equal to tan 90 degree. ठीक है, now we put the formula for this and this is 0.5 omega plus 0.05 omega upon 1 minus 0.5 omega into 0.05 omega is equal to infinity. ठीक है. Now we calculate 1 minus 0.025 omega square is equal to 0. Then from here we find out the value of omega, and it will be omega is equal to 6.32 radian per second. ठीक है. तो that is our phase crossover frequency omega c2. So now we write our phase crossover frequency is means omega c2 is 6.32 radian per second. ठीक है. Now we calculate the magnitude at this frequency. तो magnitude कैसे calculate करेंगे हम? Magnitude calculate करने के लिए हम G J ओमेगा H J ओमेगा, सिंपली जो magnitude निकालने का फॉर्मूला है वो लिखेंगे हम 2 upon, simply put the value of this omega into the equation J 6.32 1 plus J 0.5 into 6.32 into 1 plus J 0.05 into 6.32. When we calculate magnitude at this frequency, omega equal to omega c2, and that is equal to 0.0918. And you remember the formula of gain margin. Our gain margin is equal to minus 20 log 10 magnitude of G J omega H J omega at omega c2, and that will be equal to minus 20 log 10 0.0918, and that is equal to 20.74 dB. ठीक है. तो from this we find out the gain margin and phase crossover frequency. Now we have calculated two terms, our gain margin and phase crossover frequency. Now we proceed for the phase margin and gain crossover frequency. Now class, we find out the magnitude for finding out the phase margin and gain crossover frequency. Then according to definition, at gain crossover frequency the magnitude of Gj omega is unity. So when we find out the magnitude of Gj omega is equal to 2 upon omega under root 1 plus 0.25 omega square under root 1 plus 0.025 omega square. We find out this by using a normal formula of math, ठीक है, which is real under root real square plus imaginary square, and according to definition we put the value of this is equal to 1 is equal to 2 by this, and when we find out the omega from this equation, this is equal to 2 radian per second. This is our gain crossover frequency. Okay, this is our gain crossover frequency. Now at this frequency we find out the angle, we put the value of omega into this equation, and we obtain this. And when we find out the angle, this is j omega at j omega, at omega is equal to omega c1, which is our gain crossover frequency, and the angle is come to minus 140 degree 0.71 degree. ठीक है, तो now we calculate the phase margin, value of phase margin. Then according to formula, phase margin is equal to 180 degree plus angle of g j omega at omega is equal to omega c1. Now we put the value of angle in this and we find out the phase margin. Then this is the method to calculate mathematically phase margin, gain margin, phase crossover frequency and gain crossover frequency. Now we proceed for numerical, but before proceeding numerical, one application is also we find from the board plot KD, KV and KA are error coefficients. ठीक है, that is static position error constant KP and static velocity error constant KV and acceleration error constant KA. Okay, we also find out velocity constants, position constant and acceleration constant. These constants are find out with the help of board plot, and the static position error constant Kp is equal to 20 log K, and static velocity error coefficient or constant Kv is equal to omega, and acceleration error constant or coefficient Ka is equal to omega square. These error coefficients or constants we also find out from the help of board plot. So now we proceed for numerical.